Welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to repost on Instagram. So let's go forward and open the Instagram app right here, and then go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner. So right here I'm going to choose a random post of mine, and if I hit this icon with the three lines right here, as you can see I have this option post to other apps, but I do not have the option to repost that on Instagram. So today I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So let's go back to the profile section, and at the top right corner let's hit this icon with the three lines, and then go to settings and privacy. And if you scroll down right here, you will be able to find this option which is called help, and then select report a problem, and again report a problem. So right here you have to select this option, include and continue. So basically this is the page where you can send a message directly to the Instagram support team, and you'll have to tell them that you want to enable the repost feature on your account, and make sure that you give as many details as you can regarding your issue, and after that you'll have to hit the send button. So right here you'll send a message directly to the Instagram support, and they will come back to you with a reply within a few days. So this is all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.